everyone. I actually did this video already, but I was using a glue gun, and when I tried to use the stuff it just came off, so I'm doing it again. This time I'm going to use a different glue, one that I know will work, and we're just going to start now. Right, so I've got my clips which I'm going to be using. I've got the diamantes and I've got little flowers. These are the black, I think it's polymer clay flowers that I'm going to be putting on the black ones, and then these ones are just like little, you know, those fake flowers that I cut off and to put on there. And then these are like the iridescent diamantes. And the glue that I'm going to be using is this one. It's the Paytex No More Nails Invisible glue. Okay, so I'm just going to put the glue onto the clip. I think I'm going to use my fingers for most of this. Okay, just need to see where this is going to be. So I think we can put one more diamante on either side. Okay. I'm going to put glue onto the flower. I'm going to leave it there. One thing I like about this glue is it makes it tacky, so it won't slip off the whole time. Okay, now I'm going to do the little black roses. So now the difference between this glue and the glue gun is that the glue gun obviously dries immediately, whereas this glue you have to wait for it to dry, and they say that I think it's about 24 hours. Yeah, it's about 24 hours or so that you have to wait for it to dry. Hi, I was just busy editing the video that you've just watched, and I saw that I did not end it off, so I just wanted to do that now. If you liked the video, can you please give it a thumbs up? And if you haven't subscribed already, could you please click the subscription block? And if you click the little bell notification, you'll be informed when I upload a video. And also all my social media will be in the description block below if you want to go and check my blog out or anything like that. And I hope you'll have a lovely day further. Enjoy your moments. Goodbye.